This is a video on a notice which is placed in guest rooms by the Hotel Park Hyatt, Goa. This is about asking the guest, requesting the guest, in fact, warning the guest not to smoke in a non smoking room. We all know that hotels are slowly becoming responsive to the guest lifestyle, and smoking, drinking are slowly slipping out of fashion. So this through this simple notice, the hotel tries to inform the guests that smoking in non-smoking room is not to be done, and if they wish to change, they can always change. So I'll just read the notice for you. To our valued guests, so we leave no chance, to really flatter our guests, to really make them feel special. And they actually are special because without guests, a hotel is meaningless, worthless. So here is the notice, simple notice. We offer a choice of smoking or non-smoking rooms to cater to your preference. So you can choose your room as per your habits, as per your lifestyle. So if you want to smoke, then please indicate that in your reservation or at your check-in. Uh, if you don't do that, and I think most hotels have gone, I think, smokeless, cigarette-free, and there are very limited areas where smoking is allowed. So hotels are really appreciating the rising number of non-smokers, and non-smokers object very strongly in case somebody smokes in their area, and the hotel has to then explain why somebody is smoking in a non-smoking area. So this is a very polite way of telling the guests that a rupees 5,000 cleaning fee. Now I do not know how old this notice is. I'm sure the prices would be charges would be up now. A rupees 5,000 cleaning fee will be added to your bill if we find evidence of smoking in a non-smoking room. And finally, please contact the resort host. A resort host is a new term I'm seeing here, and I think I'll research on this what this exactly is. Resort host, maybe one contact person, maybe the guest service associates, if you would like to change your room subject to availability. So I think this is a very crucial learning for students, that right at the stage of reservation, if you are careful and conscious, you can clarify in the very beginning whether the guest smokes or not, doesn't smoke. I remember one case shared in the classroom by one of the students. One guest who was traveling with his 3 or 6 months old baby, I think by mistake, that family was allotted a room in a smoking area. And it seems the area was full of smokers and the corridor was full of smoke. Even this room where they were staying, it had cigarette smoke. And baby first started coughing, and then finally she started choking actually. And the father was, I think, really white with fear and anger, and he really took the hotel to task. So somebody must have slept, either the reservation assistant must have slept. They did not clarify whether the father was smoker or not. And even the hotel staff during the check-in, they also slept. They should have noticed that the baby shouldn't go in a smoking zone under any circumstances. So I'm sharing this with you just to make you more sensitive to guest needs, and no, don't just treat everything as a routine. We have studied about guest cycle which something which repeats itself again and again, and that makes things monotonous and also makes the employees overconfident. So I hope this notice will help you aware of a hotel having very clearly demarcated smoking and non-smoking areas, and you should be, communicating very clearly about it with your guests. In this video, I'll stop now. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask through the comments. Have a lovely day.